In today's fast-paced retail industry, time is a valuable resource, and maximizing efficiency is crucial for business success. Shopify POS understands the importance of streamlining operations and offers a robust set of automation features that empower retailers to automate repetitive tasks and optimize their workflows. From inventory management to order processing and customer communications, automation in Shopify POS revolutionizes the way retailers operate. In this video, we will explore the significance and benefits of automation in Shopify POS, showcasing how it boosts efficiency, productivity, and ultimately, the bottom line. Streamlined inventory management. Efficient inventory management is essential for retailers to maintain optimal stock levels, prevent stockouts, and minimize overstock situations. Shopify POS's automation features simplify the inventory management process by automating various tasks. Retailers can set up automatic low stock alerts, enabling them to receive notifications when inventory levels fall below predetermined thresholds. This empowers retailers to take proactive measures to restock items before they run out, reducing the risk of missed sales opportunities and dissatisfied customers. Moreover, automation in Shopify POS allows for seamless inventory syncing across multiple sales channels. Retailers can ensure that inventory levels are automatically updated and synchronized across their physical stores, online platforms, and marketplaces. This eliminates the need for manual inventory adjustments and reduces the likelihood of overselling or stock discrepancies. Streamlined order processing. Processing orders efficiently is critical for providing a seamless customer experience and minimizing delays. Shopify POS's automation features optimize order processing by automating various tasks throughout the fulfillment process. For instance, order confirmation emails can be automatically sent to customers as soon as an order is placed, keeping them informed and reassured about their purchase. Additionally, shipping labels can be generated automatically, saving retailers time and effort in preparing shipments. Automation also simplifies the fulfillment process by integrating with third-party logistics providers or in-house fulfillment centers. Retailers can set up rules and triggers that automatically assign orders to specific fulfillment centers based on factors such as location or product availability. This streamlines the order routing process and ensures timely order fulfillment. Personalized customer communications. Effective customer communication is vital for building strong relationships and driving customer loyalty. Shopify POS's automation features enable retailers to automate personalized customer communications, ensuring consistent and timely interactions. Automated email marketing campaigns can be created to engage with customers at different stages of the customer journey. For example, retailers can set up automated welcome emails for new customers, abandoned cart recovery emails to re-engage potential customers, or post-purchase follow-up emails to gather feedback and encourage repeat purchases. Moreover, automation allows retailers to segment their customer base and deliver targeted communications. By leveraging customer data and purchase history, retailers can send personalized recommendations, exclusive offers, or birthday greetings to specific customer segments. This level of personalization enhances customer engagement, fosters loyalty, and drives repeat sales. Reporting and analytics. Automation in Shopify POS goes beyond operational efficiency. It also empowers retailers with valuable insights through comprehensive reporting and analytics. Retailers can generate automated reports that provide a holistic view of key performance metrics, such as sales trends, inventory turnover, and customer behavior. By automating the generation and delivery of these reports, retailers can save time and gain timely access to critical data. These insights enable retailers to make informed decisions, identify areas for improvement, and optimize their strategies for maximum profitability.